What's going on YouTube? KG5150 here. It's about 4:15 on Sunday the 17th. Coming with a quick mail day from bbexpress. This was a contenders break a couple weeks ago. Also, we will be live on blogtv tonight at 7 Mountain Standard Time for a 3-box break of contenders and 2 boxes of contenders, 1 box of magic. We'll have some spots available for as low as $7 a spot, so come join us. Me and Dan will be doing that, and let's see what we got here. I had the 49ers and pack, I believe. Let's see here. I only seen a couple of 49ers come out, autographs. I don't know if they're short prints or not. I haven't bothered to look. Let's start off with what we got here. Got some tape here. More tape? Oh. Alright. These are probably just my base common, I would think. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Not numbered, Aaron Rodgers. Jerry Rice. Steve Young. Joe Montana. Jerry Rice. Jerry Rice. Playoff ticket of Vernon Davis. That is 58 of 99. Steve Young. Not numbered. MVP. Not bad for contenders. MVP. MVP, wow. Alright, now with the hits. I think I got 4 hits. It's my normal. So first hit is going to be Nick Perry, linebacker. Next hit is going to be Mark Tyler, running back. Next one is going to be Casey Hayward, cornerback. Another Nick Perry, that's always good. And then a Janoris Jenkins. Once again, I only seen a couple Janoris Jenkins come out. So maybe they're short print. I just don't know yet. Alright, thanks a lot YouTube. Once again, come watch us on Blog TV tonight. That's Sunday the 17th, 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We also got a really good raffle going on with some really big hits. So come join us, and if you like what you see, please sub. Thanks a lot.